You can choose according to your shade.
ये मैं
Pussy. Well, pussy.
Lash sensational mascara, lash sensation. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, my name is Priyal and in today's video I am going to share some affordable makeup products for a beginner's makeup kit. So if you're someone who wants to build their own makeup kit, you can totally go with this product. I'm going to share some affordable, good quality makeup product. So if you want to know what are those products, please keep watching. So starting off with the first thing is foundation, and for the foundation I have this Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 125 Nude Beige. This is a matte foundation. The coverage of this foundation is from medium to high coverage, covers a wide range of shades so you can choose your shade easily, and suits every skin type. From either your skin is normal, dry, acne prone, this foundation is going to suit you. But if you're a dry skin person, you just need to moisturize your skin a little more, as this foundation is matte, so it can look dry to your skin. And this foundation is a beautiful foundation. If you're someone like me who doesn't want their face or base to look heavy, you can go with this foundation. Or if you're just starting with makeup, you can totally go with this foundation. If you don't want to invest in a big bottle, you can also go with the small sachet, which cost for like 299 rupees. Moving on to the next category. The next category is concealer, and for the concealer I have two recommendations. First is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and the second is the LA Girl Pro concealer. Fit Me first. This is how the concealer looks like. I'm in the shade 20 Sand. The texture of this concealer is creamy. This concealer doesn't dry. The coverage of the concealer is from medium to high coverage. And the best part about this concealer is a little amount of concealer goes a long way, because this concealer is buildable, so you can totally go with this concealer. The second concealer is the LA Girl Pro concealer. If you're watching my videos from the starting, you know how much I love this concealer. This is the concealer, and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. I love using this concealer. This is such a beautiful concealer. It doesn't feel heavy into your skin. Comes with a wide range of shades, so you can choose your shades easily. Has a brush on applicator, which I personally love using. And the best thing about this concealer is that I love the most that this concealer doesn't fade away. Most of the concealer after some time starts fading, but this concealer doesn't fade and doesn't look cakey. So these were my recommendation about the concealer. Moving on to the next category. The next category is loose powder, and for the loose powder I'm going to recommend this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light. I love using this powder because it just mattifies your skin, gives you that blurry effect and matte effect. And if you're someone who wants a sheen to the powder, don't go with this powder, क्योंकि ये powder बिल्कुल matte है, आपको इसमें वो shimmer नहीं मिलेगा. So if you're someone who loves using shimmer powder, don't go for this powder, as this powder is a matte finish. And मैं इससे पहले कभी powders use नहीं करती थी. This is my first time मैं कोई पाउडर इतना यूज कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज इट डजंट फील ड्राई ऑन टू योर स्किन. और आप पाउडर लगाते भी हो तो वो पाउडरी लुक नहीं देता है आपको, and that's why I love using this powder. So moving on to the next category. The next category is for blushes, and for the blush I'm going to recommend you first Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rosy Nude. So this blush has a satin finish that gives a subtle glow to your face. Again, this blush is buildable, not too pigmented, as highly pigmented blushes can make you end up looking like a clown, and you don't want to look like a clown. So I will recommend this blush. So my next recommendation is blush and a highlighter palette both, and that is the LA Colors palette in the shade Peaches and Cream. And if you are going for this palette, please buy the Peaches and Cream shades only, because कि दूसरे जो shade ranges हैं वो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आए, क्योंकि उसमें पर्पल ब्लश है और बहुत अलग अलग कलर के ब्लशेस हैं, एंड आई डोंट नो कौन पर्पल ब्लशेस लगाता होगा, बट स्टिल प्लीज गो फॉर द Peaches and Cream shade, because this palette comes with 4 shade ranges of blushes and 2 highlighters with amazing pigment. Just look at the pigment of the colors. So this is a good palette. I don't know why this palette is so underhyped, but I will recommend you to buy this palette. I personally love using this palette, and if you're searching for a blush and a highlighter palette both, go for this palette. You will love it for sure. So now moving on to the next category. The next category is for highlighter, as I have recommended you a blush and a highlighter palette both. तो एक recommendation इसका हो गया highlighter का. So my second recommendation is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm in the shade Molten Gold. Now guys, what to say about this highlighter? This highlighter blends beautifully into your skin, doesn't feel dry, patchy, cakey. And trust me guys, this highlighter will make you go OMG with its stunning effect. I will not say much about this highlighter because it is a beautiful highlighter. I personally love using this highlighter. I will be using this highlighter more in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Just go and try this highlighter. You will love it for sure. Now moving on to the last category. The last category is for mascaras, and I have two recommendations for mascara. The first is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and the second is the Maybelline Hypercurl Easy Wash Mascaras. Both the mascaras are equally good. The applicator of the mascara is a curved fan-like structure which glides through both the upper and the lower lash line easily, gives you a dramatic look. If you're applying 2 coats of mascara, that will give you a dramatic look and you'll love it. Both the mascaras are affordable and a good quality. So guys, that was all about this video where I recommended some affordable good quality makeup products. और मैं आपको कभी भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ऐसा रिकमेंड नहीं करूँगी जो चीप क्वालिटी पे भी हो, प्राइस पे भी हो. कई चीप प्राइस पे भी अच्छे गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं. मैं वो रिकमेंड कर सकती थी बट वो मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है, तो मैंने वो नहीं बताया है. जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं यूज़ करती हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि अच्छे हैं, क्योंकि मैंने भी बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद ही प्रोडक्ट्स लिए थे. सो इफ़ यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ बिगनर्स मेकअप किट, आप ये प्रोडक्ट्स ले सकते हैं. मैं सब में हर वीडियो पे यूज़ करती हूँ. आप देखते हैं अगर मेरा वीडियो आपको पता होगा कि मैं यही प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती हूँ. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट लिपस्टिक्स, मैंने लिपस्टिक्स इसलिए रिकमेंड नहीं करी क्योंकि हर किसी का अलग चॉइस होता है लिपस्टिक के लिए शेड का. बट मैं आपको सिर्फ एक बात बोलूँगी कि डोंट रन आफ्टर फेक ब्रांड्स. जो हुडा ब्यूटी या मैक का या और भी अदर ब्रांड्स की जो फेक लिपस्टिक्स बना के मार्केट में 100 या 150 रुपीज़ का मिलता है, प्लीज़ वो मत लगाइए. उससे आपके लिप्स डार्क होते हैं. मेरा ये पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, इसलिए मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ. प्लीज़ डोंट गो आफ्टर फेक ब्रांड्स, गो आफ्टर ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड्स. भले ही वो 100 रुपीज़ का लिपस्टिक हो, एलिटीन है, ब्लू हेवन है या कोई भी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट है, आप फेक ब्रांड्स के पीछे मत भागिए. प्लीज़ गो फॉर ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड्स, क्योंकि वो चीज़ आप अपने स्किन पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. सो आई विल नेवर रिकमेंड दीज थिंग्स. सो दैट वॉज ऑल अबाउट दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू guys liked it and found this video helpful. And if you found this video helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And till then, see ya. Bye.